everyone, welcome back to day 8 of our Christmas countdown. This is the second video in the series of maths videos that we're going to be doing, and today it's going to be column subtraction. So when I am subtracting, I need to make sure that my larger number is on top, so 5,776, and then I'm going to arrange my numbers in terms of their place value. I wouldn't put 855 under there because my 8 is in the thousands column, so I need to make sure that I align my numbers correctly. So 855. Okay, again starting from the right, 6 take away 5. Now because my number on top is larger, I can do the subtraction. So 6 take away 5 is going to be 1. 7 take away 5 is going to be 2. Now for this one, 7 take away 8, because my number on top is smaller than my number on the bottom, I'm going to need to come here to my 5, which is thousands, and I'm going to borrow 1,000 from this column. So this is going to become 4,000. And then I'm going to add one of those thousands onto here, which is going to make that 17. And then I would need to do 17 subtract 8, which would give me 9. And then my 4 subtract nothing gives me 4. And again, I need to put my comma in to show that's 4,000. And then I put my answer in my box. Again, there's a few questions here for you to practice if you'd like to have a go. Thanks for watching.